x square minus 3k square upon 4 is equal to kx. Given equation is x square minus kx minus 3k square upon 4 is equal to 0. Since the roots of the equation x square minus kx minus 3k square upon 4 is equal to 0, and 4 into x square minus kx minus 3k square upon 4 is equal to 0 are the same, it is enough to solve the equation 4x square minus 4kx minus 3k square is equal to 0. By the factorization, 4x square minus 4kx minus 3k square is equal to 2x plus k into 2x minus 3k. Therefore, the roots of 4x square minus 4kx minus 3k square is equal to 0 are minus k upon 2 and 3k upon 2. But the roots of 4x square minus 4kx minus 3k square is equal to 0 are the same as the roots of x square minus kx minus 3k square upon 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, it follows that the roots of given equation are also minus k upon 2 and 3k upon 2. Illustration. Find the roots of the equation square root 3x square minus 2 square root 2x minus 2 square root 3 is equal to 0 and decide whether they are rational or not. Comparing the given equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get a is equal to square root 3, b is equal to minus 2 square root 2, c is equal to minus 2 square root 3. Therefore, delta is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 2 square root 2 square minus 4 into square root 3 minus 2 square root 3 is equal to 32 is greater than 0. Therefore, square root delta is equal to 4 square root 2. Alpha is equal to minus b plus square root delta the whole upon 2a is equal to 2 square root 2 plus 4 square root 2 the whole upon 2 square root 3 is equal to square root 6, and beta is equal to minus b minus square root delta the whole upon 2a is equal to 2 square root 2 minus 4 square root 2 the whole upon 2 square root 3 is equal to minus square root 2 the whole upon square root 3. It is clear that the numbers square root 6 and minus square root 2 the whole upon square root 3 are not rational.